Welcome to tariff related problems, especially for maths, also maths pure. So what we have to do, we're told that Tom paints a room. A room means one, okay, in 4 hours. So that's, we're going to say 1 hour, one room takes 4 hours. And then 12 room will take how many, 12 hours will take how many room? So that means we divide by 12 hours, and then that is going to be 6. So we cross multiply. X times 4 will be 4 times x, and then 1 times 12, you're going to have 12 times 1, which is 1 times 12. And the next step is we divide both sides by 4. So divide both sides by 4. 4 into 4 cancels out, and then we have x is equals 3. So that's gonna be 3 rooms. That's our final answer. Okay, step 1, step 2. So that's our step 1. We just give the original ratio. 1 room is equals to 4. And then step 2, we cross multiply. And then step 3, we simplify, divide both sides by 4. And step 4, that's our answer, which is x is equals to 3. That's how it works. And then the next question, where a car travels from city A to city B, speed 60 kilometer, and what we have here, we have d is equals to speed times time. So d is going to be distance, and then s is going to be speed. So that's the symbols we use, and then t is going to represent time. And then in pure maths they don't give you that equation, but in maths literacy they do. So distance is equal to speed times time. So our speed is 60 kilometers, and then our time, our distance is 2010. Okay, so what we have there, so that's t, and from there we say distance is equals speed times time, and then our distance is 210. So we write 210, and our speed there is 60 kilometers per hour. So we have 60 there multiplied by time. So 60 times t is equals to 210, and then divide both sides by 60. We have t is equals to 210 divided by 60. Using a calculator, that gives us 3.5. So that's going to take 3.5 hours. That's our answer for number 2. And the second question, a bakery sells 480 loaves per day, and once again we have 1 day. 1 day gives us 480 loaves. So it's 480 loaves, and then 7 days, and that means we're going to have 7 times 780. 7 times 480. So 7 times 480 loaves. We just need a calculator once again. 7 times 480 gives us 3360. So our answer will be 3360. That's our answer. So 3360 loaves. Okay, and then from there we have question 4. A water tank can be filled in 3 hours, and then half of the tank is already filled, and then what we have is full tank. So they say how many hours will it take to fill the rest of the tank. So full tank takes 3 hours, and half tank is going to take half of 3 hours. So half 1 times 1 over 2 times 3 is giving us 1.5. So it will take 1.5 to fill the other half. So that's how it is. So if your half takes that moment, the other half, there's something like, if it takes quarter, then you know that you multiply by 4, and if it's half makes full, so it will take another 1.5 hours to fill it. Next question is 5. A cyclist travel 25 miles in 2 hours. What is average speed in miles per hour? Once again, we use the distance equal to speed times time. Our distance is 25 and our speed is what we want. Our time is 2 hours, and then it's 5 times 2 is equals to 25, and then divide both sides by 2, and that leaves us with s is equals to 12.5 mile per hour. So that's the speed. Okay, and then the next thing is we're going to have a local bakery sells muffin at the rate of 18 rand. So that means 6 muffins, 18 rand per 6 muffins, so 6 muffins gonna be 18 rand. And then we repeat that so that we can simplify. So 6 muffin is equals to 18 rand. We divide both sides by 24. We have 24 muffins, we equals to x. Okay, so 6 is equals to 18, 24 is equals to what? So cross multiply 6 times x times 6, and then 18 times 24 when we cross multiply, and then that gives us to divide by 6 both sides, and that will give us that means 18 times 24 divided by 6. Our answer is 72. So that will be 72 rand for 24 muffins. But let's check. We can also do it another way. We know that we have 18 muffins, 6 muffins for 18 rand. So we have 6 muffins there for 18 rand, and then we need to know how much is the equivalence of 1 muffin. So 1 muffin is going to be 6 muffin. Okay, so we divide both sides by 6 to get 1. So 6 into 6 will give us 1, and then 18 divided by 6, and then that's going to be 1 muffin is 18 divided by 6 gives us 3. So 1 muffin is 3 rand. Now if 1 muffin is 3 rand, and 24 muffin will be how much? So 24 muffin will be 24 times 3 rand. Okay, 24 times 3 rand is equals to, that will give us 72. That will give us 72 rand as our answer. So that's it. So that's how we approach rate related problems in both pure maths and maths literacy. You can see most of the steps that I took are related to pure maths, but also you just use common sense for maths literacy. If you have any comment, please don't forget to leave below. This is your tutor Black Item 5D. I'm a 5D tutor because I teach different subjects, so at minimum 5 subjects, which is maths, physics, chem. Thank you for watching.